Dear ladies and gentlemen, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera. I am Dayangku Nurul Nazirah, binti Pangeran Haji Abdul Rahman from Radiation Department at Safety, Health and Environment National Authority, SHENA. As a regulator for workplace safety, health and environment, as well as radiation matters in Brunei Darussalam, SHENA remains steadfast in its belief and commitment that it can make a difference and ensure Brunei is a safe place to work and live, delivering against the aspirations of the nation under the Wawasan 2035 deliverable of quality of life. SHENA believes in raising HSE standards in the workplace and preventing work-related injuries and in particular fatalities. As part of our ongoing drive to reach out to our stakeholders, this month we have declared it to be a Safety Month. In conjunction with the World Day for Safety and Health at Work, we will this month deliver key messages as presentations to you covering a number of relevant safety-related topics. I will be your speaker on the second part of our presentation on Introduction to Radiation Safety in Brunei Darussalam. The objectives of this presentation will focus on who regulates radiation safety in Brunei Darussalam, how can the users of radiation help maintain radiation safety in the workplace, and where can information on radiation safety be obtained. Some of us ask ourselves, why do we need a radiation authority in Brunei Darussalam? A radiation authority is established with the aim to protect the people from radiation risks at all times, workers, as well as the general public against the consequences of overexposure to radiation, ensure the peaceful use of nuclear technology, and prevent the illicit trafficking, theft, and malicious acts involving radioactive materials in Brunei Darussalam. In Brunei Darussalam, the Radiation Authority sits in the Safety, Health and Environment National Authority, known as the Radiation Department. The Radiation Department at SHENA regulates the Radiation Protection Order 2018 that came into Gazette in November 2018. It regulates activities related to ionizing radiation, such as the import, export, sale, and use of radioactive materials and control apparatus, which are controlled and justified through the means of licensing of entities. The Radiation Department has 6 main functions, which are translated as enforcement of the Radiation Protection Order 2018, provide guidance and advice to our stakeholders and licensees on ionizing radiation-related matters, represent Brunei Darussalam on international agreements, conventions, or treaties related to nuclear material or atomic energy, acts as a national liaison to the IAEA, which is the International Atomic Energy Agency, establish, maintain, and develop scientific and technical cooperation with international and national stakeholders, and last but not least, provide guidance on matters related to radiological emergency. The activities required to be licensed with Radiation Department are regardless of them being undertaken either by industry sector, medical sector, research or development sector, or the education sector. It is mandatory for any worker that is involved in radiation activities to be registered with the Radiation Department at SHENA. A quick reference: under Section 10 of the Radiation Protection Order 2018 will clearly spell out that every licensee shall provide and maintain for his employees who are exposed or likely to be exposed to radiation a working environment that is safe and without risks to health. The licensees shall provide their registered workers with radiation trainings, monitoring of equipment or devices in the form of personal dosimeter and survey meter to protect them from overexposure and ensure periodic medical examinations. The workers must be declared as fit to work in radiation field by an authorized medical practitioner in Brunei Darussalam. Under the Radiation Protection Order 2018, any individual or company caught breaching the law shall be liable on conviction to a fine between the range of $100,000 and $10 million and imprisonment for a term between 1 year and 5 years. You may be able to obtain more information on the regulation of radiation activities by visiting our official SHENA website at www.SHENA.GOV.BN. Further clarifications can be sought by dropping an email to radinfo@SHENA.gov.bn, or you may contact our general line at 238-2000 with the extension 108. This brings me to offer you the 3 important takeaways, which are: always ensure that there is compliance to the Radiation Protection Order 2018, always maintain safety and security culture in the workplace, and ensure the licensees to be prepared in radiological emergencies to prevent immediate casualties, long-term radiation-related health effects such as cancer, psychological effects, as well as economic impacts. Thank you for tuning in to the second part of the presentation from Radiation Department. I hope this presentation has been beneficial to you and has contributed to your knowledge and understanding on the need to comply with a safe practice when handling ionizing radiation. Have a good day ahead.